Hey, welcome to Resinverse. This isn't just a floor, this is Project One. Right now, it's just raw concrete, but give us a minute. We're about to make it irresistible. If you're still watching this, our Project 2, it is a unicorn-themed kids' room for our pink girlies out there.
Time to set up. Cables, fast. Machines on. Air is moving.
Hi everyone, I'm in Japan for inspirations for my next project. Keep watching till the end. This was one of my favorite projects to create. If you enjoyed it, subscribe to see what I design next.